Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example Gallery and YouTube. Then tap on the left button, choose split screen, press and hold an app and drag it above. After that, click the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time and even adjust split screen to my liking. If you wanna go back from this mode, click on the left button again and drag the other app upwards. Then click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!